Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. First of all, I congrats all the Zilliqa holders which are hold Zilliqa holders. Let's see the live price prediction. Click the subscribe button right now and stay connected with us. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. As you can see now on the screen, the highest change of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies as $0.163418 is the high change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and now the change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is 0.22 percent going up change of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa and 24 March 2021 and last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now. So let's see on the graph the live price prediction of Zilliqa. At this period the Zilliqa falls time, but after some interval, but after some passage of time they are going up. As you can see here, they are going up like a rocket. Comment if you like Zilliqa cryptocurrencies at this period, as you can see here, like a rocket they are going up, and now they are again going up. Hope they are always going up, and they make you a millionaire. So click the subscribe button and stay connected with us for every cryptocurrencies good news or bad news every hour I will reach to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.